Welcome to Primal Facts. In this video, we will talk about the complete guide to the powerful Socratic Method and how it can help you in life and in conversations. What is the Socratic Method? The Socratic Method is a form of inquiry and discussion between individuals based on asking and answering questions to stimulate critical thinking and to draw out ideas and underlying presumptions. The Socratic Method is one of the most popular teaching methods in history. It has been used for centuries in classrooms across the world, from elementary schools to graduate schools. The Socratic Method is a way of teaching that relies on dialogue-driven discussion, where the teacher poses questions to a student or small group of students, who then respond with their thoughts about the subject at hand. What are the benefits of using Socrates' method for yourself? Socrates is a method for self-discovery and personal growth. It is based on the Socratic Method, a technique of questioning that encourages critical thinking. The benefits of using Socrates' method for yourself are self-awareness, self-knowledge, self-development, self-improvement, higher self-esteem. How to master the Socratic Method for yourself. The Socratic Method is a style of teaching that relies on the use of questions to stimulate critical thinking and draw out answers. It is a form of inquiry that focuses on the process of learning. There are many ways to master the Socratic Method for yourself, but here are 10 tips to get you started. 1. Focus on the process of learning, not on the answer. Students should be asking questions to learn more, not trying to get an answer from you. If you focus too much on the answers, it can become a means to manipulate and tell a story rather than learning about something new. 2. Ask for more than one's opinion. Your students may give you more than one perspective on the subject. The different perspectives can help you better understand what people are thinking. 3. Allow for student mistakes. Mistakes are not always negative, and they can show students how to be more creative in their learning process. 4. Find different learning styles. Students are not just human beings, but also have a variety of individual preferences for how they like to learn. This helps teachers to tailor the learning to the learners. 5. Allow for effort. Teachers should not penalize students for mistakes and make them feel bad if they cannot quickly grasp a concept, but instead accept that sometimes this is an inevitable process. Principal's role in parent-teacher communication. 6. Come to an understanding. Teachers and parents should agree that sometimes misunderstandings are inevitable, but they should come to a mutual understanding. Principal's role in parent-teacher communication. 7. Be honest. Teachers should be straightforward with parents and honest about their students' progress, knowing that they can't always prevent all misunderstanding. 8. Be open. Teachers should share their impressions and feelings with parents, even if they disagree, because they want to be open and honest. Principal's role in parent-teacher communication. 9. Offer support. Principals should offer parents the tools and resources they need to help them communicate with teachers, as well as be supportive of their decisions. 10. Help build relationships. Principals can help create positive relationships between teachers and parents by encouraging informal chats during parent-teacher conferences. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more content. Thank you.